There is more to it than what you see. The foundations of our manufacturing operations are driven by our desire to be lean, to continuously improve our ways of doing, and most of all, to focus on health and safety for you and our entire team. From the first folded metal sheet up to the doors of a trailer closing on a completed project, we trust our processes and the people behind them. Although every piece of equipment, every customer is unique, our approach to manufacturing remains the same. We are manufacturers. Our technologies would be pointless if we could not bring them the people they are designated to benefit. At Premier Tech, subcontracting is the exception, not the rule. This autonomy is reflected throughout the entire manufacturing process. We transform a raw material into actual parts, one laser beam at a time, from cutting to folding and deburring. Our manufacturing plants operate around the clock, bringing your equipment to life day and night. Beyond our assembly process being organized around lean manufacturing, we ensure our entire workplace is. By using the 5S system of visual management, we reduce waste and optimize productivity, resulting in a clean, uncluttered, and safe workplace. Our manufacturing team members have an extended access to information, including 3D plans for a more detailed and precise view of the parts of the equipment. Stand-up meetings are held regularly to ensure constant communications between team members. Manufacturing equipment does not limit itself to building piece by piece. It's by bringing motion to those pieces that we create the perfect solution for your needs. Our electrical team designs custom panels to meet the equipment requirements and therefore gets it moving. The addition of reinforced and engineered floors allows for in-depth internal startup and testing. We can then ramp it to reach your desired production rates. Doing so speeds up installation and commissioning once we get to your site. Before launching the internal startup process, a multidisciplinary team comes together to ensure rigorous process control and validate the safety of the equipment. We go through all specifications and expectations to ensure they are met, and that the solution we are providing is tailor-made for your needs. All of the actions we then take during the internal startup of the equipment are client-focused. Once the factory acceptance test is successfully completed, we proceed with the dismantling of the equipment and carefully prepare the loading for transportation. We have now reached the final gate for delivery. An equipment is more than the sum of its parts. It is defined by the processes and the people that make it different. We are manufacturers. These foundations of our manufacturing operations are part of the Premier Tech difference.